All new and best cruiser and with the best classic motorcycle 2023 new Honda Rebel CMX 1100T 2023 model introducing detail video. Honda announced with new design Honda Cruiser Rebel CMX 1100 model 2023 touring adventure with specific that have powerful 1082cc engine and have used water-cool, 4-stroke, SOHC4 valve, with parallel 2 cylinders engine. Transmission 6-speed return DCT. Fuel tank capacity 13 liters. But you will spend 19.4 kilometers per liter. Especially this bike pick up only 1 passenger. Yes, sure, this product is country manufacturer fro Japan. For the price of this model is around $10,800 in per unit in US. It mean around 1,424,500 yen in Japan. This Honda Rebel CMX 1100T model 2023 will be released on 23 February 2023. After watch details of this bike, did you have plan to buy or booking ready? I think you will satisfy of this bike world classic best cruiser motorcycle from Honda Motorcycles. Before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Motorcycles TV and click on the bell to see my new video each. If you have anything or want to know more about motorcycles, please comment below my video. Thanks you for watching.